What is the statute of limitations for an auto accident in New Jersey?
If someone's involved in a car accident in New Jersey, they have a limited amount of time to sue. That period of time is called the statute of limitations. For car accidents, that's 2 years from the date of the car accident, if you're an adult. If someone was a minor at the time, they get 2 years from the date they become 18. So in other words, they got it up until age 20 to bring a lawsuit. But it's also important to know there's other limitations. One of the limitations is if you're involved in a car accident and the accident was caused by a vehicle or an employee of a town, a county, or a state, or Board of Education, some sort of municipal entity, you only have 90 days to put that entity on notice with something called a tort claims notice. If you don't do that within 90 days, you might be forever barred or not allowed to bring your lawsuit. So it's important that you know the exact type of the entity that may have caused your accident.